Hello everyone, let me introduce our team. My name is Abdul Fatah.
My name is Ahmad Nabil.
My name is Abdul Aziz.
My name is Maulana.
My name is Adam Mardiansa.
My name is Abdul Aziz.
My name is Fatah.
We are from group of 4. Now let me tell you about how to make a table. First we need to prepare all the materials.
The material needed are plywood, hollow iron, putty, electrode, and paint. And the tools used are grinder, welding machine, stationary and measuring, compressor, and safety tools. And the steps we start are: the first step is measure the iron to be used. The second is to count the iron that has been measured. The third step is to weld the iron that was cut earlier. And the fourth, apply putty. The fifth step, sand the iron that was welded earlier. And the next step is to paint the finished iron. And the last step is to install the plywood that will be used.
If all the steps have been complete, then this is the result. Well, that was all the procedure you need to make on table. Thanks for your attention. See you.